Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Art and Template and Adventure. Today we will make croissant bread. So how to make croissant bread? It's so yummy. So just watch the full video for the procedures. In a bowl, 3/4 cup of warm milk. Put 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of active yeast. So mix it well, and we will set this for 5 minutes until the yeast will rise up. Cover this with a clean towel. So after 5 minutes, the yeast is look like this. Then we will add our all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of oil. Our all-purpose flour is 2.5 cups and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I will just put the ingredients here on the description so that you can follow. So mix the flour together to the mixtures of yes, so that it will form a dough. If you have a stand mixer, you can use it, but I'm doing this with my hands only. So then you transfer the dough on the flat surface. Work the dough until the dough will elastic and soft. So when you transfer the dough from the flat surface, just work it out until, or knead this one until your dough will be elastic and smooth. Then once it's elastic already, you can put this back to the bowl with a grace of oil, so that when the dough will rise up, it will not stick on the side of the bowl. You can cover it, and we will just wait. This dough will be double in size. So once your dough is double in size, so just use your hands to press it down so that the air will be released. Then transfer the dough on the flat surface, and you can sprinkle some all-purpose flour also on this flat surface so that it will not stick. Then using a rolling pin, work the dough, flatten the dough so that you can get the exact size for you to divide this dough into a small pieces. So here we will cut this dough into equal part, and we will just make this dough into a form of a bowl. Then once we done this dough form like a ball, we will just flat this one using a rolling pin and use melted butter. Brush it on each of your flattened dough. So just repeat the process until you're done all brushing with the butter. just repeat the process until you will finish brushing with the butter. This is the last part, the last of the dough, so you no need for you to brush this with butter, so because this it's as like a cover on the top of this process. Then once you done this one, remove it from the plate, because I put this in the plate, and using the rolling pin, flatten this slowly so that it will form like a one whole piece of dough. Just slowly, because it's the both sides of each dough has a butter, so it's a little bit slippery, so just be careful rolling the pin so that, and it's, you can make this like a form of a big circle. So once you done this one, you just cut or divide this one, cut into a triangle. So we will just cut in the center so that we can get the same sizes. But this is the first time I'm doing croissant, so it's not really perfect. So we will try what is to come out of this croissant I'm doing. We cut this all in triangles, so we just use same thing, the rolling pin, to flatten this one and to make a thin triangle dough, then cut on the end of that one, then just roll it look like this. Repeat the process until you will done all roll this form into a croissant bread. So it's look like this, guys. So it's pretty. So we will just repeat the process until we finish all this triangle dough of croissant. So here we are, we done rolled all the croissants, so we will just put this and arrange this and cover this again to wait until it's double. Then once it's double the size already, you can brush with the egg wash, using the egg yolk with milk in it, so that once you bake this one, it will give you a very nice perfect brown. So after brushing this one, we will put this in the oven. And we will bake this to 20 to 25 minutes. So here it is, I'm done baking this one. So I just brush, I still have remaining butter on my plate, so I just give one stroke brush so that it will give me very beautiful brown.